In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove background in Canva. So in here, for example, I wanted to add some image from my gallery. So I'll be choosing the sunflower with the background. To just go ahead and tap on the add page. So to remove the background of this picture, just go ahead and tap on the effects at the bottom menu. And click on the BG remover or background remover. So just wait for it to load up. And that's it, guys. As you can see, the background is now transparent. So you can resize and place it onto where you want it to use. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.